Hello class, and welcome to DMAT 0305, Developmental Mathematics. My name is Rosalind Vincent, and I will be your instructor for this course. Remember that this is an 8-week course, so you will need to work diligently to get your work done. A little bit about me. My background is in civil engineering, and I worked for many years doing roadway and drainage design. In 2010, I started working for Dallas College at the Cedar Valley campus as an adjunct mathematics instructor. In 2018, I started full-time as an instructional specialist for the math department. That is what I still do today. As for your course, a few things. Please remember to be proactive in getting your work done for the course. Ask questions if you need help, but most importantly of all, make sure that you enjoy yourself and have fun while doing your course. I'm here to help, and I look forward to having a great semester.